Welcome to the UNAM library. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to access the library online journal articles through the UNAM website. Go to the UNAM website, which is unam.edu.na. On the UNAM website, click on the library link. And on the drop-down menu, select Library Resources and then click on E-Resources. Using a single search tool, click on Articles. Then type in a search term for the academic task you need information on. Say, for instance, you are looking for articles on poverty reduction. Once you have entered your search term, click on the search button. These are your search results. As you can see here, you have about 29,000 results displayed, which is a bit much. So you want to filter your results by content type and/or by publication year. Under content type, you can choose to view full text articles, open access articles, or peer-reviewed articles. And under publication year, you can click on last 5 years if you only want to view articles published within the last 5 years. Alternatively, you can customize year range. For instance, you only want to view articles published between 2007 to 2020. And then click on Apply Year Range. Now coming back to your results, browse through to find the most relevant article to your search. And then click on Access Online, which is right below the article you would like to view. On this window, click on View Full Text to access the article from any of the databases provided. You will be prompted to log in. Enter your UNAM portal login details to access the full article. You can read the article online, and you can also download it to your computer or print it out for future reading. Should you be using the article for your academic task, you will need to cite it by clicking on the Cite button. On the drop-down menu, select the citation style used by your school or department, for example, APA. Highlight the citation, copy and paste it in your Word document, and this would be under your reference section. If you encounter difficulties accessing journal articles, please email the library at libstaff@unam.na or contact your campus library on the number provided on the screen. Enjoy accessing the UNAM online library, your gateway to knowledge. Thanks for watching.